to my vlog. Today, nagkakram ako eh. Habis ko kasi magkram. You know, kram. Ang galing, di ba? Ang galing. Di ba? Oh, sige, magkram. Sige, magkram tayo. Magkram tayo. Maganda yan. Maganda. Tapusin ko lang to, then we'll make something. It's my hobby. Also, one of my hobbies. Bukod sa pagiging crammer. Pakita ko naman sa inyo yung second hobbies ko. Dami kong hobbies, diba? Craft making. Medyo magulo pa, pero yeah. Second hobbies is craft making. Yung flowers. Turuan ko kayo kung paano. Ang glue gun. Ano pa nga ba, diba? We'll pick some color. Kung ano bang gusto mo, prepared mo. Siyempre, ang gusto ko magkapera. Siyempre, iaano natin siya dito. Wait lang We're going to measure it. Make sure that all the length was equal to each other. All we needed to do is to cut it, this edge, and also in this area. So then we needed to fold it like this. So we can choose two methods, which is lighter or glue gun. But first, let's do this. But first, we need to fix that. Here's the final product. The final product using the lighter. Kind of made. Then we can do the second method, which is the glue gun. If you wanted is glue gun, it's much easier, but you needed to consume electricity and glue gun, then glue stick. It's hot, but be careful of using it. Kung may pera kayo, I suggest glue gun. If sanay kayo dito, then use this. Two methods of folding them to make them roses. So I'll do the same things to the other. Here they are. Next, ano na natin sila. Assemble. Ito. So we needed to find stick. Well, meron akong sariling made. You can use stick or you can choose this. So first we need to put glue. Of course. Paano natin natidikit kung walang glue? Fold it, then roll it. We have the first set. This is the first set of the rose. I do the rest of the petals. Kakabit ko sila here to make a single bouquet. It's a rose. Finally made one rose. Next, we'll go to wrapping. I have here. We'll have the wrapper color red. Don't think kung gusto ko bang idiretso siya ng ganyan or I'll find ano. Oh, wait lang. May other glue na lang. Wait, dapat pala gamit yung like this. Nabili ko lang siya sa TikTok. Fiber wipes ata yung tawag dito. Flowers Love Cotton. Yan. Siguro yung tawag dito kasi yun ang
So, we finally did it na. Nakagawa na tayo ng bouquet.